What up, you sexy mother suckers?
Your man hit your phone, wanna make a ride. Swerving in your car, doing make a ride. Almost at the club, baby.
What's going on, YouTube? I know you saw the whole door opening, so you know what that means. It's another vlog, baby. Let's get to it. So last night my homeboy hit me up. Despite last night being a long day, I changed the radiator on Nipsey yesterday. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Hood latch and fuel filter on the E36. Did some other tightening up stuff on this one yesterday. So yesterday was a busy day. But yeah, my homeboy hit me up last night, said that he wants to get himself a BMW. He's trying to join the BMW game. But you know, he's from Florida too. You know, us Florida boys out here gotta connect, gotta stay together. We're gonna head to Phoenix today and we are gonna go look at this BMW. See what he's trying to get with. It ain't gonna be nothing like this. This is like one of a kind, you know? But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put as much coolant as I need to in Nipsey. And I'm also going to check the tire pressure because Nipsey hasn't driven to Phoenix in a while. So let me go ahead and do that, and my homeboy should be pulling up soon. All right, we about to head out to Phoenix. The boy with it.
You already know.
So we about to go try to get him into the BMW game. Let him know what it is. Boy got his clean RSX out.
Yeah, put me on game, dog.
Put him on game.
Game.
So yeah, we're gonna head to Phoenix now. Probably go get some snacks first, get something to eat, and then show you what the car is looking like. So let's get to it. Boy, when I tell y'all I hate these masks, like absolutely hate masks. But yeah, we about to go in here, get some, we getting gas now. Look at that boy over there pumping my gas.
Really? Pumping your gas? What you talking about?
I'm rich! So yeah, we about to go get some snacks, you know, get this drive started. I might get some A&W. A&W is lit. If y'all never had A&W, you just gotta go ahead and get it. So, alright, let's get these snacks and then get on the road. Woo, a quick little drive, but we made it. We're here. About to go try to do some things, try to figure something out. So yeah, we're gonna roll up in here and see if we can find this car or find out what's going on. So, I will be back. Alright, so they finally called us in after waiting for like
3 hours.
almost 3 hours or whatever. They finally called us. So apparently it's, how much did you say less?
It's like $250 less with a money order.
$250 less with a money order. So you already know. We buying BMWs, but we still broke.
Let's go into car parts.
Let's go in the car later. So we about to go get this money order, and then eventually we'll find the car. So let's get to it then.
Finally got the vehicle. George wasn't able to get in, but this is the inside. Started up pretty good. Shit dusty as hell though. Look at this shit right here. GTR just chilling.
Alright, well, it is about, what time now? It's about 9 o'clock. We got back from Phoenix a couple hours ago, but I had an alternator I had to change on my neighbor's car. So got that done. Make a little extra, you know. I got a battery charging for Nightmare, and then I'll be working on that tomorrow. Oh, and I got another alternator to do tomorrow. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. I look absolutely terrible, but it's all part of the car work. So If you haven't already done so, as always, like, subscribe, comment, turn on notifications, all that good stuff. That car will be in this channel a lot more, so we'll fix it up and everything, and there'll be more videos because we love BMWs here. So I will catch you guys in the next video.